사람 네가 없는 이 시소위를 걸어.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And I will be reacting to a very old song by EXO. And I've seen so many comments, asking me to react to this song. This is Wolf MV. This is the Korean version. That was the first thing that popped up when I typed EXO Wolf. And this is a very popular song of EXO. And apparently has one of the best choreographies of EXO as well. That's what you all told me, huh? EXO-L. So I'm really excited to check this song out. It's from 2013. So I'm guessing it will have all like the 12 members over here. So let's watch this video ASAP. ASAP. I'm really excited. This will of course not have the subtitles, I think. Yeah, it won't have. EXO older videos don't have the subtitles. So I'm just gonna enjoy this song and you can let me know what the song is about, huh? EXO-L's in the comment section. Okay, let us begin. Oh. Oh wow. Wait, wow. I'm already intrigued.
저기 와 단번에 느껴 널 한 입에 치즈처럼 집어넣을 테다 향기 맡고 색깔 의미하고 와인보다 우아하게 잡아먹을 테다 아브런데 발톱에 힘이 빠져 이마까지 없어져 혹시 내가 아픈 건가 병이라도 걸린 거니 큰일 나 정신 차려 어쩌다 인간에게
I like Sam's hair. Wow! Beck is unrecognizable with that hairdo. Okay. Oh, this sounds really good. Look at the rap. Wait.
저기 와 단번에 느껴 널 한 입에 치즈처럼 집어넣을 테다 향기 맡고 색깔 의미하고 와인보다 우아하게 잡아먹을 테다 아브런데 발톱에 힘이 빠져 이마까지
Wow!
혹시 내가 아픈 건가 병이라도 걸린 거니 큰일 나 정신 차려 어쩌다 인간에게 맘을 뺏겨버렸나 그런 입거리뿐이라고 확 묻어 그 다음 마크 들어 정신이게 자 안 해본 스타일로 저 큰 보름달이 지기 전에 해치워라 그래 울프 내가 울프
Wow!
난 늑대고 넌 민요 그래 울프 내가 울프 난 늑대고 넌 민요 거부할 수 없이 강렬한 이 느낌에 빠져버려 나를 맞서
Wow!
단순한 게 좋아 내 속에 숨어있던 것이 지금 눈 떴어 그녀를 좀 봐
But that has to be watched again. Like, whoa! 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 The leader coming in like that over... Excuse me. Excuse me.
숨어있던 것이 지금 눈 떴어
I'm sorry, once again.
빠져버려 나를 맞서 난 단순한 게 좋아
I don't know what it means, but I want to know.
것이 지금 눈 떴어
Now. Oh!
그녀를 좀 봐 공포에 빠져
Yes! But the leader entry deserves to be like this. I like.
situation 이해 못해 저 따라온 늑대 놈이 결국 날 잡아먹었지
My God, do you?
내 사랑에 빠진 겁니다
I just get flustered with his cuteness. Look at him! Okay.
너무 아름다워 그대 내니마 나를 두려워 마 나는 특별한 울 그대 사랑한 울 내게 눈이 먼
The choreography is insane.
정신이게 자 안 해본 스타일로 저 큰 보름달이 지기 전에 해치워라 그래 울프 내가 울프 난 늑대고 넌 민요 그래 울프 내가 울프 난 늑대고 넌 민요 널 못 끊겠어 큰일 났어
eye color change.
노란 달이 나를 놀려 널 가질 수 없다고 난 그냥 거친 야수인데 그딴 말할 거면 꺼져 필요하다면 날 바꿔 그걸 절대 보낼 수가 없어 거부할 수 없이
I love all the vocals, but for some reason, I think Chen's vocals are, I don't know. Somehow, I have the maximum affinity towards his vocals. Really like his vocals a lot. Like, because now I've listened to significant EXO songs, so I feel Chen's vocals are probably, my most, favored one and my most favorite. I love the way he sounds. So good, man. Just the quality of his vocals are insane. And this song is crazy, man.
느낌에 빠져버려 나를 놨어
Rio, but I think Chen for me.
한 게 좋아 내 속에 숨어있던 것이 지금 눈 떴어
Wow!
난 단순한 게 좋아 내 속에 숨어있던 것이 지금 눈 떴어
Yes, Jongin, take the center. Please, let me just rewind a little bit. Wow, this song is insane. It's crazy, man. This song is freaking. What is the song? What is the song? Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow.
그냥 거친 야수인데
Just the choreography, everything.
거면 꺼져 필요하다면 날 바꿔 그녀를 절대 보낼 수가 없어 거부할 수 없이
This chorus.
이 느낌에 빠져버려 나를 놨어 난 단순한 게 좋아
And that note that Declan pulls just after this. Oh, that ad-lib.
속에 숨어있던 것이 지금 눈 떴어
This choreography is insane. This is their best choreographed song. I am sorry. Wow. Oh, wow. Just, wow. I have no words. I have no freaking words. I am sorry. This was not just a song. This was another emotion that I just witnessed. The choreography. My favorite choreography was Monster and Obsession. Those two song choreographies are EXO, my favorite ones. I am sorry, this one, nothing comes even close to what this choreography is. Nothing that I've watched of EXO comes close to this. This is like on another epic level. Like, this is beyond epic. This just song, the arrangement of the song, the way they are singing, their vocals, rapping, choreography, expressions. I'm dead. This was everything. It was just everything. It was just everything that I love about EXO in this video. I got served. I got served in this video, in this song. RIP replay button. I don't like, at this point, I don't even like I'm least bothered to know what the meaning of the song is, because just the impact that the song, the way they were singing and the MV created in my mind right now. I have no words. I'm just, my mind is like blown away at this moment. Oh wow. Just, I loved it. I loved it. Just the aesthetics of that choreography, especially when they were holding each other and that entire wolf thing. Then the VFX used over there. Oh man. This is why. You know, this is why they say, this is what makes K-pop stand out. This is K-pop. The video quality, the production quality, the concept. I mean, K-pop is blowing up now, but I'm saying just see this 2013. Look at the quality of videos that were being produced and are still being produced. Yes, that was the reaction, XOLs, of Wolf. I'm sorry, but I'm just totally stunned after watching this. I am totally stunned after watching this. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Yes, it was fantastic, guys. That was the reaction to Wolf. I freaking loved it. I freaking loved it. I will be signing off now. You know, please, if you dropped in here for the first time, just please do like, share your thoughts in the comments, and do subscribe to the channel if you like K-pop content, and do follow me on my Instagram. You know, the link is in the description. And yeah, that's it, guys. I will be signing off now. Have the biggest like smile on my face. My brain is still processing all this. My brain is still processing this. So I will process all of this off camera. And yep, that's it, guys. Bye bye.